And now after a lot of practice and a lot of refining, I can 100% say that I am completely absorbed in the world of coding. Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditya More, and I'm a resident of Dombivli. By certification, I am a BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineer, and today I'm here to speak something about Codeachive Learning and the journey that I have been a part of with them. In the month of February 2024, I enrolled in Codeachieve Learning after listening to a lot of good feedback from my other friends who had previously taken training from them. And I was really impressed with their repertoire, and I signed up for a full stack development 6 months course. And I have to admit that throughout that entire 6 month program, I was not only able to get a hands on experience in coding, like for a complete non coder like me who used to really detest coding. And now after a lot of practice and a lot of refining, I can 100% say that I am completely absorbed in the world of coding. And my teacher Archana Tulpule madam, she was an immense support. And Rahul sir, the coordinator of Codeachieve Learning, he had though these two people have been the most crucial pillars of this journey that I have been a part of. And today I can 100% say that I'm a certified full stack developer, and I'm ready to take on any coding challenge thrown at me. All I would like to say is that the people here at Codeachieve Learning, they are extremely skilled, very passionate about their job, and they are very how do I put it, very focused about one thing, that all the Indians, this next generation of Indian students, they need to be 100% upskilled in all the latest technologies. So I would highly recommend that you check out their courses in Codeachieve Learning. Thank you so much.